Hey everyone, if your images look blurry or low quality on Behance in 2026, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Behance image quality issue step by step. First, open Behance and always upload high-resolution images. Low-quality files will look blurry after upload. Next, use proper image dimensions. Small images often get stretched and lose clarity. Now, export your work in PNG or high-quality JPG format. Avoid heavy compression because it reduces sharpness. After that, don't keep resaving the same image multiple times. Each save reduces quality. Next, remember that Behance automatically resizes images, so it's better to upload slightly larger files for better clarity. Now use retina-friendly resolution, higher DP. Eye images look much sharper on modern screens. After that, avoid using screenshots for final portfolio uploads. They are usually compressed and low quality. Finally, always preview your project before publishing. Check zoom level and image clarity carefully. So yeah, that's how you fix Behance image quality issue in 2026. Follow each step carefully and your portfolio will look sharp and professional. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more design tutorials for beginners.